was seen, and considering it served to keep poultry and pigs in, I'm sure it was always most elegant clean. But now all about it is lonely and weary, all sad and all silent, no piper, no reel, not even the sun through the casement is cheery, since I miss my darling.